Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today I am gonna make a little storybook. So before we start the video, please give this video a big thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe this video and share to others so they can watch too. So let's start by making. I have this kit I showed you in another video. You can see in the description box. It has a book. I am gonna use this book to make a storybook. Let's get it out. You can use stickers to make storybooks as well. Let's put this back over here. This is how it looks. It has a star over here, like these pages, and on the bottom is like this. So let's start. I'm gonna start with the star pages. So first of all, I am gonna add some stickers. These are my stickers. That says over 500 stickers in it. So here's some. There are some on the first page as well, like these sticker books. First of all, I'm gonna use a unicorn reading a book. I think I saw it. Here it is. So let's use it over here. It's like this. It's reading a book. I think it is a girl. Let's put it over in the middle of the star. This is how it looks. Now I am gonna put some more details around it. I'm gonna add some hearts and some flowers. I found one heart. Now I am gonna use this green colored heart. I don't have any pink or red other colors hearts, and I am gonna put them one here on the corners of the star, and you can write under these lines as well. I am gonna do it. So let's put this one over here. Let's get some more hearts. Let's find some. If you spot one, please tell me in the comments so I can use it. I found one. It's a small one, smaller than this one. Let's put it over the sides. It looks beautiful, doesn't it? And I put some 3 hearts on the sides, 1 on top and 2 on the sides, and 2 flowers on the bottom for the legs, like that. So now you can write over here. I'm gonna write over a tiny story over here so we can learn, read. Now I completed this page that we made out of stickers. Now I am gonna show you how to make a storybook by drawing. This is the star book. Let's go on the other book. Like, this is the last page. This is how the other book looks. Rainbow. And then you can open it like this. I got a sharp pencil. Now, on the first page, I like to draw a mermaid. Do you like mermaids? Tell me in the comments. So let's make her face first. We want it to be beautiful mermaid. Like this. You have to make a kind of a bit fat U because you want to make its hair. If you make it all round, it will not work. And then you put some like this kind of I have done drawing this mermaid. Now let's color. I have this beautiful color pencils, like colors. And this is actually, these are not pens. This is actually design. Look, it has this kind of thing. That's why I know it's not a pen. And it is actually special. These are colors. You can pop out all of the colors like this. Even these blue ones like this one. And this blue one from then. And you can put this blue one over here at the top as well. When you open the cap. So first let's color it. I am gonna use this color for her face. I'm gonna be really careful because I don't wanna make any mistakes. The body color is done. Now let's color her dress. So I am not going to use these colors for it. Actually, I am going to use these marker felt tip pens. So let's use them. It says it has 100 pack of these. So which color to choose? I'm going to choose purple. It will look so beautiful, mermaid. You can color your mermaid as you like. You can design it like your style. I am gonna make her hair a bit light red because I am gonna make it like Ariel, a bit like Ariel. Let's use this. I want the color teal. Here it is. This is the color teal. It works actually a bit darker, so I'm gonna use it a bit carefully. I am gonna use goldeny orange color. This is turning out more beautiful. I am done coloring her hair. Let's make her lips a bit red colored. Now I am gonna use this reddish pink color for her lips. She is wearing some lipstick. I made her blue eyes. Now let's start by doing some outlining so it looks more prettier. Starting by her hair. I was really careful. I don't make some mistakes. Our mermaid is completed. The space that is left, you can write a tiny story in it. This is how the mermaid looks. It looks so beautiful. If you like it, please tell me in the comments. Now let's do another page and draw a little fairy. On this page, I am gonna make a little fairy. If you like fairies, please like this video. Now I am gonna get my sharp pencil and do it the same size. Let's make it her face. Let's make her face. Our beautiful fairy is done. It is done drawing. Now let's color it. I am gonna use the same color for her face. These colors are a bit lighter. Our beautiful fairy is ready. Now are you ready to see my book, how it turned like? Let's see the star one first. Let me just open the page. This is the first page that we made. Let's do the other ones. This is our other book. Let's see. This one is our second drawing. This one is our pretty third drawing. I like this drawing the most. This is my beautiful drawing of flowers. These are flowers. We can write a story over here. It is a good, nice page. And this was the last page that we draw. If you like my drawings, if you like my storybooks, please subscribe to this channel so you can not miss any of my videos. And please like this video and share it to others so they can watch as well and have fun with my videos. Bye bye. Have fun. Have a good day.